Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Defender 110 First Edition, with an eye-catching Indus Silver Exterior complementing the LED headlights. This Defender 110 also comes fitted with a black exterior pack as well as 22-inch alloy wheels, also featuring keyless entry and privacy glass. Here I'm just showcasing the manual third row seats as well as the electrically deployable Towbar. Stepping inside the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at the Meridian sound system as well as the electric window controls, front seat memory and blind spot assist. This Defender also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, cruise control and voice control. And then come on up to the digital driver's display. Here I'm just showcasing the clear sight interior rear view mirror. We're now just taking a look at that extremely responsive Pivi Pro infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers as well as an extra 2 in the rear. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. If you would like any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01 228 599 000.